Hey guys, today we are making the Flying Dutchman burger from In-N-Out Burger. But not just that, we are making two versions, the tomato version and the onion version. So if you're new across my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss anything. And also give me a big thumbs up. And now if you're ready to see how I made my Flying Dutchman burger, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. To start, we are going to make In-N-Out burger sauce. We are going to use some mayo, some ketchup, some mustard, some sweet relish, some onion powder, and some distilled vinegar. Mix well and set aside. And just like that, you have your In-N-Out spread sauce. Alright, for our second part, we're gonna need a large onion, a large yellow onion. Alright, so we're gonna cut it just like so, the back and the front, and remove the skin. Just like so, and we are going to slice it. Just like this. Next, we are going to do the same thing for the tomatoes. So we're going to slice the tomatoes just like this. Just like so. Just like so. And we're going to set aside. Now we're going to work on our meat. Next, we are going to work on our burger patties. I have here some ground beef. We are going to season it with some onion powder, salt, and black pepper. We are going to mix it well and make our patties. So we are going to make our patties just like so from some bowls, and we're going to smash it on our cast iron skillet. Alright, now I have all my patties ready to go. Now let's go cook it. First, we are going to caramelize our onion. So we're going to add in our cast iron skillet some avocado oil. Make sure you season your onion. We're going to use salt and pepper. Once your onion is ready, flip. Alright, our onions are perfectly caramelized, so we're going to set them aside and work on our patties. Once your patties are ready, it's time to add on the cheese. Cover and allow your cheese to melt. All right, I have all my ingredients ready, so now it's time to assemble. We are going to start with our tomato burger. We are going to put 1 slice of tomato right there. Spread sauce. Burger patties. 2 pickles. More spread sauce. And relaxed tomato. Look at that. Very nice and fancy. Alright, next we are going to assemble our flying Dutchman burger. So I have my first slice of onion, spread sauce, burger patties, add on some pickles if you wish, more spread sauce, and your second sliced onion. Alright, my burgers are all ready, so now we're going for the tasting. Alright, we are going to try the tomato version first. Next, we are trying the onion version. Alright, I tried them both and they are both amazing. They're simply bossingly bossing. Of course, I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. We are the end of this video. If you like my video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, give me your impression in the comments. So, if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Peace!